Bulk create short videos in Canva and ChatGPT. I made 50 shorts in 10 minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about creating a very big bulk of short videos or YouTube shorts for your Canva and ChatGPT. And these could be, your basic YouTube shorts. They could be reels, whatever rows your boat, however you want to make your income. And we're going to be making these videos in a bulk matter, okay? And when it comes to making them in a bulk matter, obviously, there's a lot of list of videos and we're going to make them in one flow. So how are we going to make them in one flow? Let's discuss that. So to start things off, obviously you're going to come over to your ChatGPT, and in your ChatGPT, what you're going to do, you're going to actually go ahead and write, because let's say we want some video ideas. So in our case, let's go with psychological facts. You know those videos where people are like 10 psychological facts that can save your life right now, stuff like that. So you can do write me 50 psychological facts about men and women. And then you're gonna write them in a CSV format so I can bulk paste them. Okay, you're just gonna write that. And obviously you're gonna want to do some experimenting with this, but here you can see you start getting your categories. So the first is men tend to have a higher percentage of muscle mass compared. So just go ahead and create topics like these for yourself. And once you create topics like these, you can start adding them into your Canva. Now, obviously, this is your comma separated value sheet. And we're obviously going to want to make an Excel file to add these in. So we're going to go to Excel. And obviously, this is in bulk because, we're adding a lot of values differently with each other. So I'm just gonna open up my CSV over here, and we're gonna come here. I'm gonna copy the code, and I'm simply going to paste it over here. So look at that. There we go. So that pastes the whole thing in this section. So once this gets pasted in here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna move on. Like obviously we're gonna save this. Okay, so just go ahead and save that. Make sure to save it in your desktop folder. There we go. So once we've saved it, I'm gonna close this down, and now you're gonna come over to Canva. Now this is where the real work starts, because here is where you're gonna start doing your editorial things and the necessary places where we're gonna add our own edits. So to start things off, what you're gonna do is obviously you're gonna go into your video templates, and once you go into your video templates over there, we're gonna go ahead and add some necessary templates or sections. Okay, and when it comes to add some necessary templates and sections for shorts, obviously we're gonna go for 1080 by 1920 because the shorts are in a vertical format. So let's say I'm gonna go with a blank format. We're gonna click on create a design. I'm gonna go on custom size. Let's keep the width at 1080, and let's keep the height at 1920. There we go. And we're obviously going to make a video in this format. So simply click on create new design, or to make it better, you can simply come here and choose one of these things like Instagram Reel or TikTok video. I'm going to go with Instagram Reel. That works better. That makes more sense. So once you open these things up, what's going to happen from there is you're going to get this blank canvas on which you are going to start adding your background. Okay, and you're obviously going to make sure your background is somewhat aesthetic, aesthetically pleasing, so you can add stuff like this and a whole lot of other, like let's say I'm going to add a sunset. So we're going to search up a sunset over here. And as you search up a sunset, it's going to give us the various videos of different sunsets that we can add into our design. So just choose any one of them and add it straight in. So obviously add a sunset that doesn't have text on it, but even if it does, you can just delete the text. That should not be an issue. So let's say I'm going to add this over here, and then we're just going to go ahead and delete these texts for ourselves. There we go. And you know what? I'm going to change its formatting. Yeah, that looks better. Now, once you do this, what you're going to do is you're going to make it a bit blurred, because We don't want this to be the main powerhouse of the video, so I'm going to go into opacity or transparency. So you can either do that, or you can add the blur effect on it by clicking on edit video. And as we go on edit video, you can simply add the blur effect on this. So if it has the blur effect on it, you can add it simply. But if it doesn't, then you don't really need to, stress over it. It's not too big of a major issue. So once we have, added a proper video for ourselves, what you can correspondingly do from here is you can actually, wait, let me just go into these filters and add a bit of a vignette. Okay, adding this will basically allow the video to be with a denser background. So once you do that, now you're going to start adding your text. So first of all, you're going to choose a font. I'm going to choose a basic font right now. Okay, I'm going to choose this, and I'm going to write topic. Okay, I'm going to choose topic over here, and I'm going to choose another font, and I'm going to write fact. So there we go. So you're going to write that, and I'm going to bring this down here. Obviously, I'm going to change the text color to white because that more matches the background. And there we go. And I'm going to add a bit of, you could say, outline beside it so it can, be seen more. There we go. Just give it a dark color, and there we go. Same with this. Effects, outline, darker color, make it bolder. There we go. So now you can see topic and you have fact over here. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to go over to apps. And once you go to apps, you're going to come down here where it says more from Canva, and you're going to click on bulk create. And once you click on bulk create, obviously you're going to need a Canva Pro plan for this, but simply what's going to happen from here is you're going to, as you can see, choose a CSV file that we just created, upload it in Canva, and according to all the comma separated values that we created, so we're going to select men with topic, and we're going to select the facts with fact. And what that will do is it will create short clips of all the CSVs that we've added and create a whole list of bulk videos that you can edit. And obviously, to improve the working of it all, you can add transitions in between it, you can add music over it. And once you do all of that, basically that creates a whole short for you, and you can actually, because that would create a pretty big short, because these are a lot of facts. So to, make things go even bigger for you, you can crop this one short out and you can create 3 to 4 shorts. So just imagine we just created like 4 to 5 shorts in 8 minutes. So imagine how many you could make in like 10 to 20 minutes. So yeah, that's basically how you're going to create bulk shorts on YouTube or any reels that you want to make on them. And that's how we're going to use Canva and ChatGPT to make them. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.